So you're getting ready to 3D print your model, and you have pieces that need to fit together like we have here. If you need pieces to fit together, one of the things you have to do on your 3D printer is you have to figure out what kind of tolerance you need in between these pieces. On my printer, I found that about roughly 4 thousandths tolerance total is a really good number. Pieces fit together pretty well, pretty snug. So to do that, what you want to do is the pocket that your piece is going to sit in. Once you figure out that number, and you can actually try different numbers to figure them out on your printer. As a matter of fact, that's one thing I would suggest doing. Make something really simple like this up, and then after you make it, just go ahead and start offsetting the faces until you get a really nice fit. You can actually do like 3 or 4 offsets, print them all at the same time, and just see which one's the best. So in this case, I want to show you how you can do the offset to get the gap in between the two pieces. So up here under the solid modeling, we have press pull. If we go through and we select all the faces, once we select all the faces, you'll notice you have a number here and an arrow. If you pull this arrow in, it makes it smaller. Well, that's not what we want. We want to go larger, so we need this to be a negative number in this case. So once you drag it out a little bit and you get a negative number, now I need 4 thousandths, but that's 4 thousandths total. So that's going to be 2 thousandths all the way around. So basically I just put that 2 thousandths in here, I hit enter, and now when I bring my part back, now I have a really, really small 2 thousandths gap around there, so my parts will fit when I print them out. Another thing that I want to point out is that leave your fillets after you cut things out, leave your fillets till last. So once you figured it out, then I would go ahead, put your fillet on there, and then you're done. Thanks for watching.